Property lovers, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, I have this semi-detached house for sale. It's right in the middle of Observatory. That is the Lower Main Road over there. This is Milton Road. It's a one-way street down with a stop street over there, so it's reasonably quiet in the daytime. Around 5 o'clock, then it's much more busier with cars heading home down the street. It's got a very nice paved little north-facing garden, stoop in the front rather. You can see this lady loves her flowers. Here by the entrance, the house has got a security door and also an alarm system. There's a beautiful old front door. Just look at the beautiful floors, which is all solid and sound. There are 2 bedrooms in the front with a lounge at the end. This is what is used as the main bedroom. It overlooks the stoop in the front. It comes with 2 sets of built-in cupboards, and there's a fireplace. Typical of these old houses are the high ceilings. When you walk down the passage, then there's another bedroom here on your left. This is used as a spare bedroom and office, also with loads of built-in cupboard space here. Then enter into the lounge. Very nice and light and airy room with a door to the back garden. You can see over there. It's also got this nook with a kitchen. And then enter into the kitchen, where we have a built-in stove, loads of built-in cupboards, double washing up basins. There's a stable door by your back garden. The kitchen also has, where the old stove used to be, is now a cupboard. There's a separate laundry area over here, as you can see. It's plumbing connections for it. The bathroom is a full bathroom with plumbing that allows for a shower, a hand basin. The bath has a shower fitting over it. The toilet is new, the water closet, and you can see the shower over there. A special feature of the house is the back courtyard garden, where the owner is busy at the moment making it all look nice. There's some basil plants. It's very nice and sunny out here. There's a door leading to the servitude in the very back, and on this side you see it works beautifully with potted plants. That door leading into the lounge over there. When you want to know more about this property, you can visit my website. It's hotpropertyincapetown.com, where you can find a floor plan and all the pictures. I would love to show you around. Werner, I'm your man.